Hello everyone. I wanted to make something a little bit different today, and probably that you're going to appreciate. I'm going to show you my futures trades registry, and this is an Excel spreadsheet that I use to keep a record of my trades during the day, and in that way I am forced to review my trades every single day. And for that example, I'm going to use the trade that I made today in Crude. It's September 7th. It's a Wednesday, September 7th, 2022. So let's go ahead and show you what I do have here. So basically, I have an entry. Let me expand this a little bit. I'm going to expand it there where the trade is. And I do have an entry at 65.78. I'm sorry, 85.78. And then the first target is at $200 for 85.58. And then the runner was closed in the stop for 84.38. Okay, so those are the parameters, and what I do is to follow these numbers here, and I put them in my registry. So let me go ahead and change that to the Excel sheet I use, and this is the one. Okay, so I do have September 22nd. I'm gonna share with you in my Discord channel to everyone who's subscribed. If I reach let's say half of my subscribers in likes for this video. So I do have 400 and let me check. 400. I don't have the page open, but it's about 430 subscribers. So if I reach let's say 210 likes, then I'm gonna share this spreadsheet over there. So what I do have here, I do have some columns that are hidden in the upper side of this one. So let's unhide everything. And so in that way you can see if I have something interesting here. So these are basically the setups and the bias. Probably that is not important. It doesn't have any impact in this. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, actually we can get rid of this. I'm gonna hide it for now, and then move it there. What I do have here is a calculation of the ticks and the sizes of each move. Okay, so that is a kind of a calculation here. So let me show you what I do normally. So I'm gonna hide. Today is the 7th, so I'm gonna hide everything before that. Supposedly you have to take this one and populate it as the time goes, right? So in Thursday you make all you register all the trades in this spreadsheet for the first, and then for the second, and then so on, right? So let's assume that I already did that, and I'm gonna hide this cells there, so in that way I will see only the 7th. Okay, one thing that I need to do, I believe, is this here, and let's look for where it is. I'm gonna take this one. It's for the 26th, because I was copying this one from August. So let's see, I'm gonna put it right here. No, the 7th. So it's, oops, it's one more. So I'm pointing this one here to the 7th right there, okay? So in that way, I know how many trades of this CL I'm doing. And then I'm gonna take this one, and there are two ranges. This one here, I'm gonna move it. So unfortunately, you have to do this every day if you wanna use this. So that one is that one there. Probably you can use the range there, but I'm gonna just move it along all the way to the beginning. On the 7th, that would be this one here. So you have the two ranges there, okay? Now that you have that, what I do is to go to this angry rabbit, is what it's called, that little cross you see there, and then you double click, and then you have everything referring to those to the 7th of September. Okay, so now we are set up on that one. I'm going to take this and hide all the way to the end of the month, and I'm gonna hide it. Okay, so there are a couple of tables here that make an explanation on or sample of trades, but basically the important thing is right here. Okay, so let's say that I traded gold, which I did today. I mean crude. What I trade today, and I'm gonna put here copy, and I'm gonna put it there. Okay, so I'm gonna paste it there, and this is like just a reference, right? So I do have whatever there, and if it's a gain, then I know that this 2 is actually +2 for a gain, and then this here, if it's the target. So exit 1 is the target, and then exit 2 is the runner, or the exit on the runner. Okay, so let's change the values here for what I have here. So I'm gonna put 85.78, 85.78. Okay, and then the first target is at 85.58. Okay, so I do have 2. Okay, and then the second target was at 84.38. Okay, 84.38. So what you have here in this case is that you trade CL, and then it was one contract there and one contract here. The first one was at 200, or yeah, 200, and the other one was, I'm gonna put 14 there, and you see 1600 there. So what it does is to tell me that for CL, I made $1,600 on that transaction, but also in the day I did 1,600. Okay, so that is I don't know what this is. Just calculations. I'm gonna delete that one. So it tells you what you do. The other thing that I did is to have the size of your account. So in that way you can track how much you're making in accumulated as the time passes, right? So in this case, I do have some other calculations here. You know, the average rate, the average trade, the average yeah, the average profit or loss in a trade. So I do have loss there, and and in profit there, and here I have the commissions I paid. So this one calculates actually the number of trades here, the number of trades, you know, if I put, or the number of contracts, not trades. So if I have one contract there or two contracts there, it's going to multiply these values here, which is the commission for the trade. So basically $1,600. I paid $7.96 or $8 in commission, so that is for two contracts, and then I have $15.92. This one could be different for you, so it depends on what your negotiation with these companies are. So basically that is what it is. And then the next day what I do is to delete this one. Let's say that for tomorrow, right? So this one is a little bit more not complicated, but it requires this this step. I'm gonna unhide. I'm gonna take this and erase it. So clear all, and then I do have my numbers there. So I'm gonna open this and then unhide. I'm gonna go here and then take again this formula here and move it from here to there, and then enter. I'm gonna go to the next, go there. Probably there's some more automated way to do it, but you know, for 2, 3 trades or 5 trades, I think that would be fine. And then what I do is to hide. You can do the hide before this one. So I'm gonna just leave the 2 boxes out. What did I do? I believe that I didn't, and I hide it. Okay. So now I have the 2 of them opened, and then I would do the same. So if I trade tomorrow ES, I'm gonna take this one, copy it in this position, and then put C or ES instead of. So these are the these are the symbols, right? So I'm gonna put ES. How many contracts? Let's say 1 and 1, and then what is the value right down below here. So hopefully this one, oh, this is what I was doing with this. It really doesn't, it is my pre-market bias. So I'm gonna put up, and if there's any daily setup, then I wanna leave this one for you, because in this one you can select there, you make your pre-market analysis, and then in that way you would know if what is your bias and what is the if there's any daily setup on this one. So if it breaks to the upside, like today in ES, broke to the upside and then kept moving, and that one is a good sign of a today in a small reversal. I don't think that is going to continue, but that is a topic of another discussion. Okay, so all right, so I think that is what I wanted to share with you. If you want, you can hide this this one as well. I keep it hidden, so I'm gonna put it like that, and so in that way I do have only the trades. There's other calculations here that I was doing. I for a while I was trading minis, so you have calculations here on the minis as well. So I was you know, trading 3 contracts there, one with each one with different targets, right? So okay, so I hope you like this video. Again, if I get 210 likes in this video, I'm gonna share this spreadsheet in the Discord channel, and I'm gonna make it available to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and hope this one helps you to track and keep a record of your trades.